So let's go ahead and do number 17. And this is another probability problem. And it shows you how to do the answer, but I'm going to talk it through and that may help you. Okay. All right. So the first thing, I'm given the probability of event A is 0.6. I'm going to write that down on my paper. Probability of A is 0.6. And then the probability of B is 0.4. Okay. So if they're independent events, if A and B are independent, that means like it's going to rain today and the dog went outside. They're not equal. So they're not on top of each other. One doesn't happen because of the other. They're independent. That's how you think about it. Did A cause B or did B cause A? And if they don't, that means they're independent. So if A and B are independent, compute the probability of A and B. All right, since they're independent, all you have to do then is it shows you right here is 0.6 times 0.4 gives you 0.24. So 0.6 times 0.4, I'm just putting it in the calculator so you see, equals that. So this one is 0.24. Okay. So now the next one is kind of tricky. It says if the probability of A given B equals 0.9, compute probability of A and B. This is where you want to make sure you have your notes. Remember, I give you 2 pages of notes. This is where you want to have these formulas written down. So if I'm given, we're going to use this formula, the probability of A and B given the probability of B times the probability of A given B. These are formulas. If you go into the book and read it, you'll find these formulas. So make sure to write them down. Because when you have them, all you have to do is plug it in. So probability of B I've got right here, 0.4. And then the probability of A given B is right here is 0.9. If you multiply those together, you get 0.36. Okay. So that's how you do those. Again, go to the read it and write down those formulas, and all you have to do is pop them into there. Okay. So that should be okay for number 17.